Welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. Today we're going to be going over a video from Keith Greenfield. Now Keith has reached out to my dad via email and asked us to share his video and to sign his petition that he's created. Keith's video takes place in Eddyville, Kentucky, and it looks like he's in the middle of moving his belongings when two Lyon County Sheriff deputies approach him. They begin to ask if a woman lives there, when Keith replies with no. These deputies take it upon themselves to intrude and harass Keith. But I don't want to give too much away here, so I'll just show you guys the video.
11. How you doing today?
Who's the other officer?
What's going on today?
I'm moving. Why is it in your business what's going on?
Well, we heard that Kelly Joe Rogers might be here.
Well, she's not here.
You mind if we look?
No, you ain't coming in my house. Y'all come in my house the other night whenever I didn't ask y'all to come in. Y'all ain't coming in my damn house.
Who's that?
Y'all and the damn state trooper. Y'all ain't coming in my damn house. It's freaking harassment, and I'm filing charges Monday.
Okay.
I am, bud. I don't care either, Witherspoon.
What's your name, sir?
I've been fair with you all along.
No, you ain't.
So.
Y'all filed charges on that damn car, and by God, I didn't do it, and you know I didn't do it. There's 4 other people that goddamn is involved in that car, and you did not even talk to none of them.
Sure did.
Sure didn't.
But I went and hopped down and served a search warrant. Sure did.
You didn't go talk to that lot.
What are you shaking for?
That ain't none of your business.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just hate y'all harassing me.
I hate that Kelly Joe's even connected to you.
I'm hated that you're standing in my damn house. I'm hated that you followed my daughter and granddaughter out of my house the other damn night.
What?
Yeah. When my daughter come got my kids Sunday night, y'all followed them all the way out to 24. Yeah, I know. Yeah, y'all did.
One of you did.
One of you did.
Wasn't me.
Y'all turned around when they pulled out my damn driveway, picking up my grandbabies. And then y'all come down here the next night and said y'all had to respond to narcotics activity. Fuck that shit. I ain't got no use for it. And then y'all come in my house the other night after y'all was told to stay outside.
I don't know who you're talking about.
So clearly, as you can tell, Keith has a history with the Lyon County Sheriff's Department. So much so that when he starts calling them out on their little tactics of harassment, this deputy gets a little uneasy. Let's all remember that no matter where you are in the country, cops may not enter onto one's property if they don't have consent, a search warrant, or if illegal contraband is in plain view. Since the cops have none of these justifications to be on the property, they must leave. Something peculiar is about to happen though. You're gonna see it coming up.
The state trooper
y'all
Holtz
wasn't-
and Suits.
Y'all wasn't involved.
And the other one.
The other one.
Yeah, I don't know who the other one was.
I don't know what you're talking about.
But y'all welcomed yourself right here in my damn living room and hollered at me, told me I need to stay where y'all can see me. That's bullshit. Now I'm fighting it to the max, baby. I am. I am. Bet that.
I hope so.
I am. I am.
Sorry you're having all these problems.
I'm sorry you're goddamn harassing me. And Lyon County Sheriff's Department's got it out for me. That's why I'm fucking moving. Because Lyon County Sheriff's Department, all of them's a piece of shit. And that's fact. All right? So y'all are welcome to get the hell out of my driveway. Kelly Joe's not here. All right. Goodbye.
Working on nerves, man.
You need to work on your ass. Get the hell out of my driveway.
Threaten me.
I ain't threatening shit.
Good.
I got it all on camera, baby. I ain't threatening shit. Y'all dismissed. Out of here. Kelly Joe's nowhere around here.
I'm behind you. I was over there. Well, y'all have a good day, sir.
See ya.
After wasting so much of Keith's time by supposedly searching for a missing person, they huddle up and agree to leave. It's very odd or weird as to why they would do this. If their main concern was to look for the supposed young lady, then why not firstly show up with the warrant in hand? If this was such an emergency type situation, then finding her would be the main priority. These deputies know that with them being on camera, it makes them look bad, so they leave. Absolutely big time tyrant behavior by the Lyon County Sheriff's Office. Big shout out to Keith Greenfield for this awesome video. Be sure to head on over to his channel, subscribe, and I'll see y'all over in his comments. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching.